Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Courtney Marie and I am back with a makeup tutorial. So today we are doing a bold lip matte eye makeup look. So first things first, I'm taking my e.l.f. Oil Control Primer Mist and I am patting that in all over my face because I want my makeup to look as matte as possible. Now I am taking my Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer, and I love to use this primer because it does not break me out and it has sunscreen in it. So I am spreading that all over my face. Now I am taking my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, everybody's favorite, because who don't want their makeup to grip to their skin, okay? And this is a good layout if you're going like on a picnic or if you're going to be outside, because my makeup stayed matte, it did not move, and it lasted all day, honey. So now I am taking my Lancome foundation, one of my favorites, and I'm applying that all over my face. So the next step is highlight and contour. I'm using my Too Faced Butterscotch Concealer and not going too crazy with it, just putting it under my eyes, getting rid of those dark circles and putting it in areas where I want to glow. Now I am taking my Fenty Beauty contour stick in the shade Espresso, and I'm simply going to shape my face, make me some cheekbones, make me a little jawline, and yeah, I'm just gonna blend all of this out.
In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak, trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why.
Now I am going to take the OG Miss Laura Mercier. I'm going to take my translucent powder and I am simply going to pat that into that concealer because we do not want any creasing, any moving, and we want our face to look matte. So I am taking that powder and I am patting that in and just laying it out. Now while that powder is sitting, I am starting on my eyes. I'm taking my Too Faced The Natural Nudes palette and I'm using this chocolate brown color and I'm packing that in all over my lid, and then I'm going to blend it all out. Now to add a little dimension, a little, spice to it, I'm taking this darker brown color and I'm just making like a little matte smoky eye look. So to dust off that translucent powder, we're going to go in with the Too Faced complexion powder, more so face powder, and we're going to use that to blend everything together to get rid of any harsh lines, to make my face more matte. It's going to blend everything together, help with creasing and smile lines. Powder is the way to go. So now I'm going in with my Juvia's Place bronze palette, and it's more so like a powder contour. I'm going to go over where I put that cream contour and I'm going to set that with this powder contour, and this is also going to help with creasing, going to help make my face more matte as well. So now we're going in with some blush. Not gonna lie, I'm not really a blush kind of girl, but to soften this look up, I'm going to use some today. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills setting spray combo. I'm using my Morphe and my Too Faced, and I decided to use two because it is hot outside and I don't want to be sweating my makeup off, okay? And this definitely helped my makeup stay on all day. So now for my bold lip combo, I'm using the Juvia's Place lip pencil in the shade Espresso. Now, Riri, girl, all right now. I'm using the Fenty Beauty, the MVP liquid lipstick. And when I tell you, now I usually don't do red lips, but I immediately fell in love when I applied this liquid lipstick. Like, girl, you doing your thing, for real. Like, because when I saw them red lips at the Super Bowl when she was performing, I was like, what lipstick is that? Like, I need it in my life, and it's been out for a little minute now. Like, I've been missing out for real. Oh, here she go. This is the final look, y'all. See y'all on my next video.
I would like to get to